2 races, 2 crashes, 2 injured riders, and Beta is now out of the Supercross season altogether. In a press release today saying, quote, Liquid Moly Beta Factory Racing announces today that the team will withdraw from the remainder of the 2026 Monster Energy AMA Supercross Championship. This difficult decision comes after a series of injuries sidelined both premier class riders Benny Bloss and Mitchell Oldenburg during the opening rounds of the season. Now, that was Anaheim 1, where Benny Bloss had a crash in press day and broke his wrist. And then in San Diego, Mitchell Oldenburg had a pretty bad crash, broke both bones in his left arm, correct me if I'm wrong, and also a concussion. They have both since undergone surgery and are on the way to the mend. Now, the rest of this was the team will now redirect its full resources towards a complete 11-round campaign in the 2026 AMA Pro Motocross Championship, as well as the 3 SMX rounds. And that's a first time ever, because this is the first outdoor series that the team is actually going to be contending in. They had plans on doing the full Supercross season and then some outdoor rounds, pick and choose, probably ones that are either close or big in nature, Redbud and such. But now they're doing full outdoors. So it's going to be interesting to see how this works from a team that probably doesn't do very much motocross testing or training. I mean, they probably train on a track, but these bikes are built for Supercross. If that's the only series you're going to be doing, there's probably very little, runtime data on Southwick, all the sand. You're going to have to do a lot of work to, build these bikes to that. Carlin Gardner, the race team director, said, quote, this is certainly not how we envisioned our 2026 Supercross season unfolding. Both Benny and Mitchell showed incredible pace during the offseason, and to have them both sidelined so early is heartbreaking for the riders and the crew. However, we are turning this setback into an opportunity. By committing to the full Pro Motocross series, we're giving our riders the time they need to get back to 100% and giving our fans the chance to see Beta compete at every outdoor national. Now, yes, I like that they're in the series, but they are definitely a smaller factory team. They're not, Kawasaki or Yamaha, where if somebody gets injured for a season, they can just reach into the wallet, go buy or go find a fill-in rider and just see from there. And it's probably smart for them. Instead of going to every single round with bikes in a truck and having no riders, save the money, save the time, let your riders heal, and let them go, race outdoors and see where this goes. It could be really good for them. It's a different series. It's a different set of challenges, different setups for the bike, suspension, everything you could say. And I'm excited for this. Obviously, it's not a good reason or good how this happened. You never want to see anybody get injured, especially not both your riders for a team injured in 2 rounds and then out for the rest of the season. But it's, good for them at least. You can have the time to fully recover, get back to 100%, not rush anything and see where you fall in the outdoor side of things. Now, again, sucks there's one team out, but we'll see where they fall in outdoors. I'm excited at least to see that they are coming back and not just scrapping the whole year, which they very well could have done and just said, we don't run outdoors. Sorry, this is just bad luck and our guys got hurt. It is what it is. So it's cool for them to transition and see where they fall. Hopefully it's, productive. Hopefully it's good for both the riders that they can take the time and not worry about it. They don't have to worry about rushing back and not being 100% and, maybe hurting themselves worse. But I don't know. It's good for me, at least on the outside of things, to see that they're planning something different, but it sucks to see how it happened. But this is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you excited for A2? Who do you think wins the Supercross championships in both the 450s and 250s? And do you think we're going to see any retribution from the Deegan takeout, the Cooper Webb takeout, whatever it is? Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.